Hello everyone, this video is for all the dry skin people. Dry skin can sometimes feel flaky or dry or tight, and hopefully these tips will help get rid of those symptoms. So to start off with, we obviously need a cleanser. And sometimes dry skin can feel like it doesn't want to be washed because it's already dry or irritated, but you do need a cleanser. So try and use a pH balanced cleanser or something that's hydrating to clean your skin but not strip it off. Moisturizing regularly is key. So after cleansing, it's important to use a moisturizer to lock in that hydration but also keep your skin soft and supple. Look for ingredients that has glycerin or ceramides or even hyaluronic acid to keep your skin feeling fresh and hydrated. Exfoliation is important as it can help get rid of those dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smoother and brighter, but over-exfoliating can actually leave your skin dry or irritated. So try and limit exfoliation to once or twice a week and use a gentle exfoliator like this one that has chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs as opposed to physical exfoliants like salts or granules that can irritate your dry skin. Avoid using hot water on your skin, especially on your face, because it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Try and use lukewarm water even while showering, and if possible, try and use cool water on your face. Protect your skin from the sun as the UV rays can dry out your skin, making it more irritated or sensitive. So remember to use sunscreen every day and use a sunscreen that has a minimum of SPF 30. Drink a lot of water throughout the day and aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water. Drinking water regularly can help make your skin feel hydrated from the inside out. Hopefully, these tips will help control the symptoms of your dry skin and keep it looking more hydrated and healthy. Stay tuned for more videos and keep watching.